Okay, simplify 3 over root 3 plus 6. This is a NAPTEP question 2024, objective number 10. So these are the various options provided. So this is equation from surd, and the first step we need to take 3 over root 3 plus 6. We are going to rationalize this. However, we are going to use the conjugate of this denominator. And when is a surd said to be in conjugate? Two surds are said to be conjugates of each other if their product give rise to a rational number. So a conjugate of root 3 plus 6 is root 3 minus 6. So whenever you see a surd like this, square root of 3 plus 6, the conjugate of it will be square root of 3 minus 6. So unlike the normal rationalization of surd that you know, we are going to use the conjugate of this to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So here is going to be square root of 3 minus 6 divided by the square root of 3 multiplied by 6. Square root of 3 minus 6. So we are going to multiply these two together. The numerator we have 3 multiplied by root 3. 3 times minus 6, you are having minus 6 times 3. We divide it by root 3 times root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3. Next, we have root 3 multiplying minus 6. That is minus 6 times root 3. Next, we have 6 times root 3. That is plus 6 times root 3. Then lastly, in the denominator, we have plus 6 times minus 6. So that is minus 6 times 6. This equal to 3 times root 3. We have 3 root 3 minus 6 times 3. We have 18. Divide by root 3 times root 3. We have 3 minus 6 times root 3. We have 6 root 3 plus 6 times root 3. We have 6 root 3 minus 6 times 6. We have minus 36. That's equal to 3 root 3 minus 18 divided by, when you look at this denominator, this is minus 6 root 3 cancelling plus 6 root 3. And what we are left with in the denominator is 3 minus 36. And that's equal to 3 root 3 minus 18 divided by 3 minus 36. We have minus 33. So at this point, 3 can enter here one time. 3 here is 6 times. 3 here is 11 times. So here we have the square root of 3 minus 6 over minus 11. So at this point, we are going to multiply through by negative 1. Multiply through by minus 1. That is minus 1 multiplying square root of 3. You are going to have negative root 3. Minus 1 times minus 6. You are going to have plus 6. Divide by minus 1 multiplying minus 11. We are going to have plus 11. So rearranging it to fit the options that we have above, we have 6 coming first, then minus root 3 divided by 11. So 6 minus root 3 is the same thing as minus root 3 plus 6. This is equal to 1 over 11 into 6 minus root 3. And this is the answer. When you check this with the options that we have above here, you discover that option B is the correct answer.